Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about multiples and factors. We will be discussing what are the differences between multiples and factors. So let's start by the definition of multiples. So multiples are numbers which are obtained by multiplying a given number by integers. For example, we have a multiple of 4 as 4 times 1, 4 times 2 equals 8. So these are all multiples of 4. If we take another number like 3, so 3 times 3 will be 9, 3 times 4 will be 12. So these are all multiples of 3. Now let's talk about factors. So factors are numbers which divide a given number without leaving a remainder. For example, if we have a number 16 and we divide it by 2, then we'll get 8. So 2 is a factor of 16 here. Factor of 16 because we are not getting any remainder and 16 is fully divided by 2. Similarly, if we divide 9 by 3, then we get 3. So 3 here is the factor of 9. So these are factors. So factors are numbers which divide a given number without leaving a remainder. On the other hand, multiples we get by multiplying a number. The second difference here we can find out is multiples are greater than the number. Here we see that multiples of 4 are 4, 8 and multiples of 3 are 9, 12. So these are greater than or equal to the number. On the other hand, factors are usually equal or less than the number. Here factor of 16 is 2 which is less than 16 and factor of 9 is 3 which is less than 9. So factors are usually less than or equal to the number. So our second difference will be multiples are greater than or equal to the number. And factors are less than or equal to the number. Another very important difference between multiples and factors is that multiples can be infinite. We can multiply a given number by infinite numbers to get infinite number of multiples. So multiples are infinite. On the other hand, factors of a given number are finite. That means there will be a limited number of factors for a given number. Let's write few more examples of both multiples and factors. Multiples are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These can be infinite in number. And factors are, let's write the factors of 4. 1, 2, 4. That's all. So factors are finite and multiples are infinite in number. So this is all about multiples and factors. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.